Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding a part to Workspace and immediately placing a Surface Gui inside that part. This links the GUI to the block. Once done, set the Surface Gui face to the side you want it to appear on, because face controls orientation. Make sure Reset on Spawn is off for persistent testing, then switch to the viewport and enable local player testing. These first steps attach the GUI to a physical object so you can see and interact with it in-game. Now you build the visible interface. Insert a frame to act as the panel, then add text label or image button objects for content. Use scale-based size values so the UI adapts to different resolutions. For example, set size to 0. 500, 30 for half width and 30% height. Once done, add a UI grid layout to manage spacing automatically and tweak padding and cell size to get consistent gaps. Make sure Z-index order places buttons above background. Finish by wiring interactions. Because Surface Gui in Workspace is visible, but input can be local, run a local script that listens for mouse button one click on your text button and then calls remote event to the server if needed. Make sure to reference the Surface Gui through Workspace path when testing. If a button does nothing, verify the GUI is parented correctly, the face is set, and you are using Play Solo or Start Server with a local character. These checks fix the most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.